I've got the JBL Tour Pro 3s, and let me show you how to pair and connect these to your Android phone. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is open up the lid of the earbuds case. Now, if it's the very first time, then they will automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode. If not, or maybe if you've connected them to another device, then you want to first go and turn off Bluetooth on that other device, and then press and hold this button at the bottom of the case for about 10 to 15 seconds until the lights on the earbuds blink rapidly like that. That means they're in pairing mode. So then now you can go to the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone. So settings, connections, Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth on, and they should detect my earbuds. So once they're detected, tap on that and they're going to get paired. So confirm by tapping on pair and they'll get paired and connected. Simple as that. And then I have other options like allowing access to contacts. For me, I'm just going to deny that. And then you're going to be prompted to save this to your Google account so it automatically pairs with other devices signed in the same Google account. I'm going to opt out of that for now. So the next thing you want to do maybe is go to the Google Play Store and download the JBL headphones app and set it up with your earbuds. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.